You can also edit out video cover by using the CapCut desktop editor right here. So now let's say what I want to do is I want to create a cover for this particular project, and in that case you can go around and click on this little icon right here that says click to edit cover. Once you do that, you can go around and select out a portion of the video that you want to use for your cover, or you can go around and drag in an image over here as well. So you can go around over here, click on the plus button, and then you can go around over here, select out an image that you like right here. Let's say, for example, I'm going to select out this, click on open, and this can be used as a cover as well. But I'm just going to go around and click on select from video and click on edit right here. Now you get the editor, as you can see, and you can go around and choose some presets right here, just like this, that you can go around and click, and that will be applied over here, as you can see. And you can go around and align everything out right here. So this is a small editor, as you can see, that you can go around and then change around. Just like with the text editing option over here in the effects, you can go around and then work around with the alignment option right here, just like this, and then work around. You can bold it out, you can underline it out right here, and so forth, just like this. You can go around and then add in bubble on this, and so forth. You can go around, add in bubble on this, and so forth right here. So you can go around and click and drag these around right here. You can delete it and so forth, just like this. You can also go around, add in, let's say, for example, a stroke right here, and adjust this out according to how you want. You can go around over here just like this and change around the font over here as well, as per how you like. So that is what you have. So that is what you have, as you can see, and you can go around and crop out this particular area as well, which is what you have as well. So that is the cropped out area, as you can see, and then you can go around and reselect out the cover as well onto a different portion as well, and then edit that out as well. But whatever text edits you have made will just stay the same, as you can see. So after that, you can go around onto food and so forth, and you can choose whatever you like as well. You can go around onto text and on effects right here to add in more text as you like as well. So you can go around and click on this, and over here you can go around and see for example right here, just like this. And once you're happy with the cover, you can just go around and click on complete, and a cover is attached right here, just like this, as you can see. So now what you can do is you can go around and export this out right here, just like this, and the cover will be exported alongside this video right here. So now let's just go around over here and select out, let's say, for example, 480p resolution, for example, and I'm going to select 24 frames per second right here, and then go around and export this particular video right here. So you can see that it is being exported over here. Everything is being rendered and exported, and what will happen is that along with the video, the cover will be exported for use as well. So you can see that this is what you have. So let me just click on open folder, and you can see that this is the cover that is exported separately as an image, as you can see right here. And that is how you can work around with with cover paste editor inside of CapCut desktop editor. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.